If you want to cancel your Chime free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Chime account by logging in through the Chime app or website. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile area of the app or website. Step 3. Find subscription information. Look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Billing. Here, you should see details about your current trial status and any active subscriptions. Step 4. Select Cancel Trial. In the Subscriptions section, find the option to cancel your free trial. Click on it and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, check for a confirmation message or email. This will ensure that your free trial has been successfully cancelled and you will not be charged. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Chime free trial. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Chime's customer support for assistance.